we just expect them to put on the PPEs and have all the equipments, and then all the care is very much taken, and then they also can see us giving them directions of exactly to put the incision, and then how to retrieve that muscular tissues, and then how to visualize that particular brainstem. That is one very important issue that we have been trying to take it to the field, although they do not have a practical exposure to this. Well, brain sample collection is done. Quality brain sample is also collected. Our laboratory is there. But there is someone in between who is going to take care of, say, shipping these brain samples to our lab. That is courier services. One of the problems that we have been facing, or even our field veterinarians are facing, is the courier persons, they do not accept these biological materials. So it is very, very important that we convince these courier services so that the proper and utmost care is actually taken care while packing the samples, and then while shipping the samples to our laboratory. This is another issue that we have to really address for strengthening the rabies surveillance in the country, which is going to be the basis for institution of these disease control strategies. Well, as far as the quality kits are concerned, as of now, mostly we are actually depending on the importing such kits. But it is necessary and high time that with all the expertise that is available in the country, that we have to have these kits made in the country itself, supporting the concept of Make in India, so that we make these kits cost effective without compromising with the quality of the test, and then use such a friendly diagnostics at the field level. And we very much feel, based on our experience of our field veterinarians, that the lateral flow assay is also working very, very well, as I already mentioned in the previous slides. And our field vets are finding it very, very comfortable to use these kits, because within 10 to 15 minutes of collection of the brain tissues, they can say whether it is actually positive or negative. But we all the time we emphasize that irrespective of positivity or negativity, we insist on them to ship the brain sample to us, because they face actually the confirmatory test. So the major advantages of these approaches is that we are going to overcome the problem associated with the shipping of whole carcasses for the purpose of a postmortem. And this is one of the reasons why there is a limitation with respect to resourcing of the brain tissues from the field. Well, with these, the dog rabies surveillance has very much improved in the country under this white winning program on the strengthening of diagnosis of rabies in India. Most of the training programs we have conducted